Hi, this is Kylan from Foothill Beekeeping, and today we're going to be installing a pollen patty, also known as a brood patty, into one of our new hives. A pollen patty can be used to supplement a beehive's pollen supply during the winter, or if they're unable to get it themselves due to weather. There are different recipes for pollen patties, but the one that we're using today contains sugar, soy, yeast, water, and 15% pollen. This gives the bees a good mix of protein, fat, and fiber. In this case, we're using a pollen patty to kickstart our new hive's brood production, even though there's still a consistent supply. This will help because bees use pollen mixed with nectar in order to make a substance called bee bread, in which they feed to the newly hatched larvae. When bees know that they have a lot of pollen, then the queen will start producing many more eggs. But we have to be careful because once the new bees leave their cells, they'll be very hungry, and if the hive is unable to forage for nectar, then the new bees will quickly eat through all of their honey storage, causing starvation. We're just walking to the hive and we're going to put the pollen patty on so the bees can get more food and hopefully have more brood. I'll show you how we do it. We're going to start off by smoking the bees just to calm them down a little bit, and then we've got to take the brick off. The brick is just to keep animals out, or if the wind were to blow the lid off, it might get too cold and the bees would freeze. So we just have to take the lid off and take this inner lid off. So now I've got the pollen patty, and we gotta brush all the bees out of the way just to avoid squishing them. And then we're gonna lay the pollen patty right where we want the bees to go. And the last step is we just need to slide the lid right on, and we'll just close it up. Thanks for watching this educational video in our Working with Bees video series, and we hope you enjoyed it. But don't worry, that's not it. We have more for you to watch. Just click here to watch the next one, and click here to subscribe. Also, if you were wondering what this was in our video, check out our website at www.foothillbeekeeping.com and even get one for yourself. That's www.foothillbeekeeping.com, or email us at foothillbeekeeping@gmail.com.